Hello, welcome to today's video. In this video we shall be looking at how to change decimal fractions to fractions. If you missed our previous video on fractions or on decimal fractions, you are advised to click on the link above to watch our introduction to decimal fraction. So today we shall look at two examples of how we can change decimal fractions to fractions. Here is our first question. We're asked to change the following decimal fractions to fractions in its lowest terms. So 1.8 is our fraction. So step one, we have to change it to fraction, then we reduce it to its lowest term. So we have 1.8. How do we change these to fraction? To change 1.8 to fraction, we move the decimal point to the right side of the last digit. So I move it, that's just 1. Now when you move one place, it represents 10. When you move 2 places, it represents 100. When you move 3 places, it represents 1000. So remember from our previous video, when we say tenth, it means a fraction. So because I moved one place, it becomes 1/8 over 10. This is the same as 1.8. If you divide 18 by 10, you should get 1.8. So you are on the right track. So this is our fraction, but not done. We have to leave it in the lowest term. So we have to divide the numerator and the denominator by the same numbers. In this case, I can use 2. 2 into 18 will give us 9, and 2 into 10 will give us 5. So I'm left with 9 over 5. This is the lowest term because no other number can be able to divide 9 and 5. So 9 over 5 is my lowest term. But remember, we cannot leave our answer in improper fraction. Now when you have the numerator larger than the denominator, that is an improper fraction. So we have to leave it in a mixed number. So how do I do that? How many 5 do we have in 9? We have just 1 5, so that's one whole number. So we have 1 5 in 9, remainder 4. So that will be our numerator over 5. This is the final answer. This is called a mixed number. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 plus 4 gives us 9. So remember that you should always leave your answer in either a proper fraction or a mixed number. Never you leave your answer in improper fraction. Let's look at another question. Here is the next question. 0.225. 0.225. Again, we are asked to change to fraction and leave our answer in the lowest term. So again, I'll move my decimal point to the last digit. So this is 1, 2, 3. That is 1000. So that gives us 225 over 1000. So this is our fraction, but we have to leave it again in the lowest term. So to do that, we divide the numerator and the denominator by the same number. In this case, we can use 5. 5 into 225 will give us 45. 5 into 1000 will give us 200. Okay, So we are left with 45 over 200. We can still divide this further. I can choose to use 5 again. 5 into 45 will give us 9. 5 into 200 will give us 40. So we are left with 9 over 40. There is no number that we can use to divide 9 and 40. So 9 over 40 is our lowest term. So this is our final answer. As you can see again, this is a proper fraction because the denominator is larger than the numerator. So we can leave our answer in this form. So here is how to convert decimal fractions to fractions. Right here is a practice question, just 2 questions to test your understanding of the concept learned in today's video. You are free to share your solutions with us on this email address, and we shall always respond to your emails. Thanks very much for watching this video. God bless you.